Hello everyone, in this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to log in Jeep Finance. First step is to open your browser. You can use any of your browser like Firefox, Safari. Here I am using Google Chrome. After opening your browser, click on the search bar and type in Jeep Finance login. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, click on it. Now you have an option to choose the site as your country. Here I am using US, click on continue. Now you need your email and password to sign in, or you can also directly sign in from your Google account, your Facebook account, or any other social media account from here. So type in your email. Now type in your password. If you click on this box, then you are saving the information on your browser. If you have forgotten your password, you can click here and recover it. And if you don't have an account yet, you can click on create account and create a new account. Now click on sign in, and these are the simple steps that you can follow to log in Jeep Finance online. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below. Thank you.